Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Certified Scrum Developer Program. The program is from Scrum Alliance, and I'm going to talk about why the CSD and how to become CSD. Who am I? My name is Naveen Kumar Singh, and I am a software development coach. I provide coaching in the area of agile technical practices as well as uh, processes. I am into software development for the last 20 years. I have worked as a software developer, software development manager, agile coach, and Scrum master. I am also an Scrum Alliance REP. REP is needed in order to facilitate certified Scrum developer course. A CSD program is an in-person training program by a Scrum Alliance, which has two tracks, 3 days track and 5 days track. In the next slide, I will talk about what this 3 days program and what is this 5 days program. This program is for people, those who are involved in building software. It could be in, developer, tester, engineering manager, software development manager, Scrum master, agile coaches. The workshop introduces some of the important tools and techniques that help us to build in good software, maintaining and high quality. This training is a hands-on training where you will learn by doing yourself, and it's not going to be a boring lecture. Uh, a requirement, as I said, is in two different track, 3 days track and 5 days track. 3 days track is applicable if you are already a certified Scrum Master or planning to become a certified Scrum Master. If you are not CSM, then better to go for a 5 days workshop. This 5 days workshop will cover a Scrum and 3 days technical course and 1 day technical elective course. Technical elective course is usually is taking a deeper dive into any of the area where organization wants to focus more, like a DevOps, acceptance test driven development, behavior driven development, maybe agile estimation and planning. So something like that. You can always decide which course you would like to go with. There is no exam for CSD, but there is an assessment that has to be done by the trainer. Who should attend CSD? As I said, anybody who is involved in building software, usually is a developer, tester, test lead, technical lead, engineering manager, engineering coaches, a scrum master, agile coaches. It's also a good program for the people those who are not actively involved in doing coding or people those who are like a manual tester. This workshop will help you to understand where to start and where to move from after attending this workshop. The agenda for this program. So as I said, 3 days and 5 days. So 3 days course is going to be remain same for both the track, and that covers the application lifecycle management to gain more out of the Scrum. Will also cover the requirement management specifications, by example, behavior driven development, acceptance test driven development. Uh, will cover TDD and emergent design that help us to have more, you know, the design that suits more to the Scrum team. I will go into in more of the collaboration practices like in pair programming, code review, peer review, and also how to have a better code, clean code, and code quality tools and all. We'll cover CI/CD, test automation, test framework, agile testing, focusing more into in that how to have a better quality product by adopting agile testing practices. Uh, there's a lot talk about DevOps, but there's a misconception as well regarding the DevOps. So I'm going to talk about DevOps. That what the DevOps is all about. Is it about the culture, process, practice, or tool, or is something that makes up everything? If you are opting for the 5 days course, then the 1 day is going to be in a Scrum framework where we'll talk a Scrum more in perspective of development team. And as I said, 1 day is going to be an elective, which is like in taking deep dive into in an ATDD or DevOps or CI/CD, something that you can decide. Why me? Because I'm the one who is actively facilitating CSD in countries like India, UAE, and other Asian countries like in Indonesia, Malaysia, and all. Uh, My workshop is a complete PPT free workshop, and I demonstrate what I believe, and I help participants to do coding and building software by pairing with them. My workshop is not only restricted to Java, so it's going to be in a Java, JavaScript, Ruby, Python, C Sharp, C++, embedded C, and all. I do provide support because I understand that this is not sufficient. 3 days course is not sufficient to adopt these practices. So if you're stuck anywhere and if you need help, reach out to me either over the mail or Skype. What next? Reach out to me on naveenhome@gmail.com if you'd like to join the CSD workshop or if you'd like to facilitate CSD workshop for your development team. Thank you. Have a nice day.